In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can make money online with free ebooks. So the great thing about this method is if you're looking for a legitimate way and essentially an easy way to make money online and from home, then by the end of this video, you will know exactly how this works and how to set all of this up. I'll also share with you a bonus strategy that you can use as well, and we'll cover that towards the end of the video. But look, this is free, it's easy, it's available worldwide, and if you want to make money using this, by the end of this video, you can get all of this up yourself and running today, realistically in about 30 minutes. So let's jump over on eBay and I'll show you how this method works. So you can see on here, I've just typed in keto ebook. Now this is the first listing, look, clever keto dieting ebook. It's £2.99. Now I'm in the UK, so it's UK pricing. If we scroll further down the page, excuse me, you can see here we've got another one. This one here, it's £2.22. Another one here, another one, another one. Now the great thing about this method is you can go ahead and get hundreds of these keto ebooks for free. But let's go ahead and have a look at one. So inside of this one here, look, there's currently 5 available. It's sold 11 for the price of £2.22. So when have these sold, more importantly? So you can see today's date is, let me just move my head for you. So you can see, hang on, let me do that so you can see this. So hopefully you can see that now. So today's date is the 2nd of March. So this listing over here, this keto diet ebook has sold. It sold 1 today, 2 today. It's actually sold 3 copies today. It sold 1, 2, 3. It sold 4 copies yesterday. At the previous day it sold 2, and the previous day it sold 2. So there is a demand over on eBay for, in this example, this keto diet ebooks. Now if we go back, let me just move this over here. Now I'm just going to click on back. So that's one example, and if we scroll further on the page here, look, you can see, look, this item is not a physical or paper book, it's an electronic book in a PDF format, so an ebook. Come back over here, let's go back, so that was this one over here. Come further down, look, this is another one, £2.22, another one, another one, and also another one, look, and again, look, ebook free delivery. So this is just one example for you. You could do this in, the keto niche, you could do it in health and fitness, you could do it in e-business and marketing, you could do it in affiliate marketing, whatever basically. So how do you do this? Go ahead and get these free ebooks, because look, we're not just focusing on eBay, this is just an example for you. This is one place you can list these ebooks once you've got them. You can list them on Amazon, you can list them on Etsy, you can list them on anywhere you want basically. So how do we get them? So you see here, this is a website and it's called idplr.com. This is just one website of hundreds whereby you can go ahead and get what is known as free PLR products. Now, I've come over here onto Google. You see, I've just typed in free. There's this web, look, buy quality PLR, free PLR downloads, IDP, etc. So you can go into any of these free websites and go ahead and find ebooks, and you don't just find ebooks, you can find courses and other bits, but it's free. And you simply, so like this one here, this easy keto diet, you can see, click on here, it will tell you a bit more information about this product here. Scroll down, you can see what's included with this. It'll tell you a bit about this. Look, topics covered. So you see all of this here. If you were selling this over on eBay, you'd include all of that in the description box over on eBay. In fact, let's look at that easy keto. Let's go back over to eBay. Look at that. Someone's doing this exact same method what I'm sharing with you today. Scroll further down the page here. Let's have a look. So that's their listing, but look again, an ebook. So that is the same product from here. It's the exact same one. They're selling it on eBay for £1.99. And all they're doing is they're coming over to websites like this one here. They're downloading this and then they're uploading the listing onto eBay. Pretty simple stuff. And it's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. And if you scroll down here, look, it will tell you the product terms. So look, you can sell this item. You can sell it for personal use. It can be packaged with other products and lots more. If you scroll down here, it tells you what you can and can't do. So in this example here, you can't change the main product. You cannot change the graphics in the e-cover, and you can't give it away for free. But you can go ahead and sell this yourself, and you can package it with other items and lots more. So this is just one way how you can make money with free ebooks. You come onto these websites, and look, this is just one example, this IDPLR. You'd go into hundreds of these different websites if you've got the time, go into them and you find ebooks, and then you go ahead, you download them, you come over onto platforms like eBay, like Amazon, and you upload them. And literally all that happens here is when somebody buys this product from you on eBay, you message them, as we saw over here. Let me just go ahead and show you. Let's go back into here. Where does it say? Look, we will send your link to your eBay's inbox messages for you to download the digital book. So all they're doing is they're literally sending them a message, and then someone clicks on the the link in the message, and they go ahead and they get instant access to their ebook here. So it's pretty simple stuff. So that is part one of how you do this. You simply go ahead, you download the product, then you upload it onto eBay, Amazon, Etsy, etc. That's just one way that you can make money with this method. So this got me thinking, there's got to be, an easier way and a quicker way of making money, because for me personally, I wouldn't want to be, spending a lot of time responding to people on eBay and all these other platforms with a link to the product. And it turns out you could actually go ahead and automate the entire process, and it's free and it's simple. So you can automate this process using a couple of platforms. But let me share with you the first one. So the first one is this one over here, and it's called gumroad.com. Now this is free to sign up with. Come up here and click on pricing. I'll show you this. Look, no monthly fee, unlimited products, etc. So you can go ahead and get started with this platform for free. Now on the left hand side you've got all of these different categories, but let's just go ahead and type in keto, see what comes up on here. Scroll down, look, the low carb keto cookbook. Someone's selling this for $20. Another one over here. Come further down the page and look, in fact look, keto is easier than you think. This product here, it's had 2 ratings. Look at that. They're selling it for $50. It's the same one. It's that one. And yet people are selling it for $50. And it says on here, it's had 2 ratings. Yeah, look, 2 ratings. For $50. And in this description here, it tells you, a bit more about the actual product. But that there, what someone's made $50, well, they'll have earned $50 less the fees of Gumroad, but it's a free book. This one here, which I can literally click on download now. Watch. Download. You've got to create an account and log in. Let me just do this for you really quickly so you can see. So I'll log into my account. And then we're going to download this in a second. Let me just go back up here and type in keto. And we'll get that and we'll download it. Okay, so easy keto. I'm going to click on there. Just takes a second. Look. Download. So if I want to download that now, I'll click on there. And look, it's gone down here. It's downloading this book here that someone's actually selling on Gumroad for $50. Ridiculous, isn't it? And you might now be thinking, well, if it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. Did you know that you could do this? Did you know that you could go ahead and list these free ebooks over on Gumroad and eBay? I don't know. Probably not, because lots of people don't. So this is another way. And look, people don't know about PLR websites. People don't know that PLR is a free thing, that you can get free ebooks from a number of platforms. So let me share with you some bonus methods for making money with this method. So we go ahead and we find some free ebooks like we've done here. So if we go down here, let me open this. So I'm going to click on show in folder. I'm going to click on easy keto. And we'll click here and go into, look, this is everything that's included with that free book that I've just downloaded. So I've got an ebook. I've actually got, look at this, I've got a keto checklist. If I come back, I've got a resource cheat sheet, I've got a mind map, and then I've got graphics, and I've also got email swipes and other bits. I've even got, look at this, social media images. So if I go on here, look, let's just click on one. Look, different images that I could go ahead and use on social media, and then I could put a link over to, I'll list them on eBay, I could send them over to Gumroad, I could send them wherever, but it's all absolutely free. If I come back here, let's go back up here, let me go ahead and grab the ebook. I'm going to click on here, watch, I'm going to click on copy, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste that onto my laptop, okay? So I've now got my keto ebook on my laptop. Now this is a bonus method for you if you want to make more money with this. So let's come down here and let's just go on here. Now we're going to go onto a website called ClickBank, and we're going to find an affiliate product related to the keto diet. And look, you can do this in any niche or category, but I'll just blank this out and log into my account. Now inside of this platform over here, this marketplace, you see up here at the top where it says marketplace, you can find affiliate products. So on here, I'm going to type in keto. I'm going to type in the keto diet. And I'm going to click on, I'm going to filter this via gravity and find out, products which are selling. Look at this one here. Carbo Fix, this is related to keto. It's got an average conversion of $111. We've got one here, $46. So we'd find a product related to our free ebook. So let's just find one. Let's just go with this one here, this custom keto diet. I'm going to click on promote. You see up here, look, you earn 75% commissions for every customer that you send. So I'm going to click on generate hop link. Now look, I've got this long link here. We're going to copy that and we're going to remember it, because what we're going to do now is we're going to include that link inside of our free book that we've downloaded, and we're going to also make money with this. So we're not only going to be making money from selling the freebie over on eBay, Amazon, Gumroad, wherever, we're also going to include our affiliate link inside of the book to help people, with the products that they're interested in, keto, and if they go ahead and click on it, come over to this product here and purchase this, we're going to earn more money from this. So I hope you can see it's a pretty powerful method. Now in terms of this, there's two resources for you. So the first one is, so I'm just going to type in here, it's called smallpdf.com. So over on this website here, you scroll down here, let me just get rid of this, just come down here and look, you can convert a PDF into a Word document. So what do? You upload the PDF from, the one that you downloaded down here. You upload it and convert it into a Word document. You then include your affiliate link inside of the Word document, and then you convert that back into a PDF document, and then you download this. But look, it's a bit long-winded, but it is a free tool. It's called smallpdf.com. Now for this, I use a paid resource and it's incredibly cheap. I'll drop a link to it below for you. It's called Designnr. Now inside of this here, you can see, just come down here, look, there's lots of options for you in here. But you see this one here, import from PDF. So I'm going to click on here. I'm just going to type in keto. And I'm going to, I can't even spell. I'm going to type in keto and I'm going to click on upload from your computer. And we're just going to go ahead, look, easy keto. I'm going to click on there. And then it normally takes about a minute or so just to upload this. Hopefully it will take a bit longer. So it's uploading this for us and then it's going to convert this for us. And then what happens is we can go, look, it's done. So we can go ahead and edit any part of this that we like. We can include, more text and add images and videos and lots more. But all we're going to do is, we're not going to spam our affiliate link in here. We're just going to add it organically inside of the ebook so that whenever we do sell this, we will get our affiliate link in front of people in a natural and an organic way. And hopefully that will help to earn more money from using this method. Okay, so that part is now done. Now the next part is we need to quickly select a template for this. So you just go through and pick any template, and bearing in mind these are templates, so you can edit and amend any part of this that you want. So go through and find something, a template related to, your product that you've decided to go ahead and pick. So let's just scroll through and find one, something, related to weight loss example. Let's keep coming down. I should have probably gone through the different templates really and picked one of those. So let's just go down and find one. You can see inside of here, there's absolutely hundreds of these. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to go with this one here, look. We'll click on there and it will prepare your ebook. And here, what's happening is, look, it's done everything for you. So it will give you the template and it will also import the whole of the actual free book that we brought into this software as well. So if we scroll up to the top, you can see this is now our ebook that we're going to sell and make money with, and then we're also going to include our affiliate link inside of here. So you can edit and amend any part of this. If you don't want an author's name here, you just click on this and you click on bin, and that's it gone. If you want to move this over here, you play around with this as much as or as little as you like, basically. So if you wanted to, make this here, change the font, change the font, then you could go down to this here. If you want to make it larger, smaller, etc., you can do. You can play around with this, as I mentioned, a lot or a little, really. But this is the cool part. So this is our ebook. It's all done for us. So you can see it's now going into the actual book, and everything's imported for us. So you can now, inside of here, include your affiliate link inside of here wherever you want. And what do I mean by that? So if I come down here, look, what is the keto diet? Come further on the page here. if I wanted to include my link to the affiliate product over on ClickBank, I do this. So you could just do something like this. And again, I'm just doing this very quickly for you, but you can see, learn how to fast track your keto results. Something like this, okay? Put that in there, and then in this bit here, I'm just going to copy this, and you see over here where it's got the link, I click on there, and then I put in a website URL. So in here, I include my affiliate link that we got from ClickBank. So I copy that, come back over here, and I paste that into here, and I click on OK. And then let me just click off that. So look at that. So now it's got a link embedded inside of this ebook for us. So you can add it in, places like this. But what I like to do is come down here. I'm going to click on this here. I'm going to double click on there, and again I'm going to just make this all caps lock. I'm going to type in learn how to fast track your keto results. I'm going to put 4 arrows on that one there. I'm going to come back over here. I don't want the page number, sorry. Come over here, I'm going to click on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, do that, and then I'm going to highlight all of this again, like this. I'm going to click on link, and I'm going to paste that affiliate link in there, and then I'm going to click on, okay, sorry, let me get rid of this. Get rid of that. So now I've got that in there, so look, it's got a link on there. Now the other cool thing is, if we just click off there so you can see how it looks, I'm going to double click on there again. Then on here, click on there, you see here, apply text to all footers. I'm going to click on there, click OK. Then it just takes a second, and then watch happens. Scroll down the page here, look. Now it's on every single footer inside of this article, inside of this ebook here. So we sell the ebook, and you can sell it low till you get more sales of this. And then when people are reading your actual book here, you've got your affiliate link in here. So basically, anyone clicks this, or anywhere that you put that inside of this ebook here, it sends them over to the sales page. It sends them over to here, paste and go. It sends them over to, look, this product over here on Warrior Plus. And basically, not Warrior Plus, sorry, sends them over to this product over here on ClickBank. Anyone purchases this, then you earn an affiliate commission. And it doesn't take that much longer to go ahead and spend a little bit of time just converting it, adding in your affiliate link, and then uploading it, because the content is still the same. The only difference is we've now got our affiliate link on every single page. So it's just another way that you can make money with these free ebooks. But overall, that is how you do this. You go ahead, you sign up to as many of these free PLR websites that you can. You decide on a category or a niche, or you can just go as broad as you want. You download these ebooks, you then go ahead and list them on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, wherever basically, and you can make money that way. If you want to make more money, you then sign up to platforms like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo, wherever. Get an affiliate link for a product related to your ebook. You include your affiliate link in here. If you want to use the software that I'm using, this Designnr, I'll drop a link to it below for you. If you want to go down the free route, then you go over to this website here. It's called smallpdf.com, and you do the same process what I've shared with you, but it'll just take you a bit longer instead of just having this one-click import that I've got using my software here. And look, that's today's video. So what will it take on your behalf? It will take time and it will take effort because it's free. You can go ahead and find all of the free PLR stuff for free. You can convert it into an ebook including your affiliate link for free. You can list it on eBay for free. You can list it on Amazon and Gumroad and many more. But overall, it's a simple, easy and effective way to make money online and from home. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.